Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to fix Streamlabs game capture black screen. Very quick and easy, so let's start. So for step number 1 is to run Streamlabs ops as administrator. Step number 2 is to use the correct game capture mode. Step number 3 is set up GPU reference for Streamlabs ops. Step number 4 is to update graphics drivers. For step number 5 is to check for compatibility mode. And for the last step is to update Streamlabs subs. And that's it for today's video. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!